What's going on, guys? So the reason why, first of all, why we're replacing this ABS harness on this car, which is my dad's, is because all of a sudden he got all of the lights on the dash, ABS, VSC, brake light on the dash. So basically, first thing you want to do, go to AutoZone or go somewhere to get the codes scanned, and they're gonna tell you. In this case, it was the left rear, no, the right rear. So this case was the passenger side rear sensor, right? They told my dad it was the bearing, but he replaced the bearing, and what we found out is that on the bearing there's like two little pins that connect and make contact with the harness that you're gonna see here. Basically, one of the little pins was broken, and that's why it wasn't sending any signal. But we also found out is that you're also gonna see it on this clip, is that on the connection from the bearing to the harness, it's like really corroded. You're gonna see it right here. It's really corroded and it's just not good. So basically, we're like, let's just go and do the harness too, and hopefully it works. Well, it turned out it didn't work actually for some reason. But later on, the codes didn't come off, and later on we actually took it to the mechanic because my dad was like, "Yeah, I'm just not gonna deal with this anymore." I was trying to save him some money, but he went to the mechanic, and basically, mechanic said that the same pin from the bearing, it still wasn't making contact with the new harness. But I guess that's the reason why that happened, was because the parts obviously are not OEM, and they're not going to be to the same measurement as OEM. So mechanic said that it just needed to be moved a little bit, and then basically it was fixed. So just a little background of what happened here, and maybe it's related to your problem too, and hopefully it helps.